21 years ago. I fell in love with the property. It was like an old abandoned truck that had been forgotten. I was really taken by the whole surrounding area. My background is in development, so this was something that was aching to be discovered. What was the most important part is that we all shared in this whole experience.
Family is the heart of Baldacci Family Vineyards, and I think when people come to visit us, we're hoping that is, besides the beautiful wine, the experience, they get a feel for who we are as a family and feel as comfortable coming here and sharing part of our dream.
When we first bought the vineyard, I was 8 years old. I remember stomping around the vineyards. It's funny because now, I guess 21 years later, that's now my office. I think what's unique about the wines that we make, they come from 3 very different regions. We have Carneros, it's the coolest region, the Stag's Leap District right in the middle of the Napa Valley, and Calistoga, which is the farthest AVA to the north. The wine philosophy has always been showcase and express the vineyard. There's a lot of little pockets and little flavor profiles that we can find and we can identify. And so to take those and then bring together those little pieces to create a wine that represents this estate.
Wine's an interesting beverage. It constantly changes from year to year. We're trying to tell a story across for that year, for that vineyard, for all the elements that it required for that wine to express itself.